100% free, no watermarks, unlimited videos. What if I told you that you can create 3D animated AI videos with consistent character throughout, completely free, no subscriptions, no watermarks, no limits? Most people are stuck on waitlists for Sora or paying hundreds for Veo 3, but there's a silent revolution happening right now with Grok AI, and I'm about to show you the exact method I used to make this. Welcome to AIPreneur, where AI becomes your business partner. Today I'm walking you through the complete workflow to create 3D animated videos using only free tools. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to generate a story script, create consistent character videos with free AI tool, add professional voiceovers, and edit everything together like a pro. Then, I'll show you the one trick that fixes the biggest problem everyone runs into: character consistency. This is a beginner-friendly, zero-cost method. So whether you're building a YouTube channel, creating content for clients, or just experimenting with AI, this is for you. Let's dive in. First step, we need a solid story. And for that, we're using ChatGPT. Now here's the thing. A lot of people try to generate their whole script in one go, and it comes out generic. Instead, we're going to be strategic. I'm asking ChatGPT to create a 5-scene story with clear scene descriptions, visual prompts for each scene, and a simple narrative arc. 3D Pixar-style animation. Close-up of a 12-year-old boy named Jack, brown messy hair, big brown eyes, wearing a beige shirt, an orange backpack, sitting on grass at sunset, holding a glowing tablet. Warm golden particles float from the screen, soft cinematic lighting, shallow depth of field, vibrant colors. ChatGPT generates the full story, scene by scene. Each one flows naturally into the next. Now we have our story foundation. Time to bring it to life. Next, we head to Grok AI, and this is where the magic happens. But before you do anything, there's a setting you need to turn off. If you skip this, you'll burn through your credits in minutes. Go to Settings, then Behavior, and turn off Enable Auto Video Generation. This stops Grok from auto-generating videos from every image you create. You'll control when that happens and save a ton of credits. Now I'm pasting the Scene 1 prompt from ChatGPT into Grok's Imagine feature. I'm also choosing the 3:2 aspect ratio because after a light crop in CapCut, this becomes perfect 16:9 for YouTube. Grok gives me multiple image options. I pick the one that captures the vibe, vibrant, Disney style, and emotionally engaging. Then I click Make Video, and boom, my first scene is animating. That's scene 1 done. But here's where most people hit a wall. When you try to generate scene 2, the character completely changes. Different face, different style. It breaks the whole story. This is the biggest issue with AI video tools, but I found the fix. I tried using Grok's built-in script generator, and it gave me incoherent scenes. The prompts didn't connect, so Grok's moderation blocked me from continuing. That's when I realized ChatGPT is way better at story flow. Here's the workflow, and this is crucial. Step 1, go back to your Scene 1 video. Step 2, right-click and copy the last frame. Step 3, paste that frame into Grok's Imagine box. Step 4, add the Scene 2 prompt from ChatGPT. Step 5, click Make Video. Now Grok continues from that exact frame, same character, same style, perfect continuity. Repeat this for every scene. Last frame, new prompt, generate. You'll get a fully consistent story from start to finish. Now your visuals are done. Time to add the voice. I'm using Google AI Studio. It's free, and the voice quality is incredible. I go to the speech section, choose single speaker audio, and pick a voice. For a kid's story, I'm using Enceladus, young, warm, and calm. I paste the full narration script from ChatGPT. No timestamps, no scene headings, just the story. Hit generate, and in seconds, I have a professional voiceover.
Jack never imagined a simple tablet could turn his day into an adventure.
Download it, now we edit. Final step, bringing it all together in CapCut. I import all my video clips and the voiceover. First, I drag the audio onto the timeline and lock the track so it doesn't shift while I'm editing. Then, I trim the silent gaps using CapCut's silence detection tool. It automatically finds and removes dead air. Next, I add my video clips, lining them up with the narration. Since Grok generated them in 3:2, I need to adjust. I change the project ratio to 16:9, then zoom each clip to 123%, perfect fit, no black bars. I add a subtle transition between scenes I'm using, gradual fade at 1 second each. Smooth, not slow. Finally, I auto-generate captions for accessibility and engagement. Choose a clean template, adjust the size, and done. Export in 1080p or 4K, and you've got a professional AI video made entirely with free tools.
Jack never imagined a simple tablet could turn his day into an adventure. With one tap, an entire animated world popped out of the screen, just for him. Inside that world, Jack met Jack, a tiny hero who looked exactly like him. Every swipe Jack made wrote the next chapter of his hero's journey in real time. When the world began to glitch and fade, both Jacks knew they had seconds to fix it. With one final tap, Jack saved his story and learned he could create any world his imagination could dream of.
So here's what we just did. Generated a 5-scene story with ChatGPT, created character-consistent videos with Grok AI, added a pro voiceover with Google AI Studio, edited everything in CapCut with transitions and captions. And the best part, completely free. No watermarks, unlimited. Your first action, go try this with your story. Start small, 3 scenes, 1 minute. Build from there. If this just changed the way you think about AI video creation, hit that like button and subscribe to AIPreneur. Every week, I break down the latest AI tools and show you how to turn them into income streams, even if you're starting from zero. Want to go deeper? Check out my video on how to automate an entire YouTube channel with AI. I link in the card above. Thanks for watching. Let's build something amazing together.